Good morning, girls.
Morning.
How are you today?
Good. Good.
That's the shot. So we've already come to the conclusion you're going skydiving, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So what's going to happen is we're going to put you on the plane, we're going to take you way up in the sky, and we're going to open the door and throw you at the planet at 200 k's an hour. Does that sound like a good idea?
Sounds amazing.
Awesome. Excellent. So, you guys ready to go?
Absolutely.
Perfect. Thumbs up. Let's go and have some fun. Yes. Girls, you just jumped out of the plane. What do you think?
Best thing ever. Pretty awesome.
Awesome. Favourite part?
Pretty cool.
What about you, Deb? Good to hear, guys.
Hearing a parachute.
Yeah, how good is it, right? You guys think you jump again?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good to hear. Congratulations to you both. Welcome to skydiving. Thanks for jumping with us here at Skydive Australia New Stuff.
Awesome. Thank you.
See you next time. Rock and roll.